Hi, I am Arindam Mallick and you all are welcome to my channel Technical Ori. I also welcoming you on my C programming course. Our today's topic is bubble sort. This is a part 19. Let's start. What is sorting? Sorting means how basically we are arrange the data. Either is the ascending order means increasing order or decreasing order. So keep in mind in short that sorting means we are arranging procedure means data we are arrange the data or either the ascending or descending order. That is this procedure is called sorting. Now in case of array there is a different types of sorting mechanism are there like bubble sort, insertion sort, selection sort, quick sort and mass sort. What is bubble sort? Here we are basically compare the two consecutive elements. Means two elements is just beside. Okay, one after another. It's consecutive. Okay, you basically you compare. Like it is a greater than or equal like this. The compared like. Now, why it is this sort is called bubble sort? Because in this sorting we works the similar of the movement of the bubbled water. As in case of bubble, the large bubble is on the top and the next smaller is follows. Same here also in bubble this sorting. What do you mean by that? This term swap. This is basically exchange. The exchange of the elements. Next, this is a bubble sort. This is an array. Okay. So here this we have compared the like zeroth element and this zeroth index element and one index element. Okay, index number 1 this element. Then compare these two element. Compare these two element. Compare these two element. This is the first pass. Here pass is accomplished with the loop. What is a loop? There is a called term pass. Basically, you can remember it. Pass means basically the steps. Pass means the steps. What is the steps? One by one. This is called pass. Now, so basically here compare this. This value means zeroth index compared to the one index compared to the second index, or second index compared to third index. This type. Since in second pass follow the same. Now, these are bubble. Now, first I will show you the algorithm. Okay, this is our algorithm. Okay? Now, this is a code. Basically, it's an algorithm, but this basically is pseudocode. It's a part of code. Now, first, this is the array. I will take the input. Okay, fine. First pass. First step. Okay, I equals to what is I? This for loop. I am talking the these are two for loop. Means one loop is one for loop, another for loop. Means inside the one for loop is just inside the another for loop. Means nested for. Example of the nested for loop. This for loop is inside this for loop. Okay, this is the nested for loop. Now, we will trace the code, write down the code. Now, first, what is the for I equals to 0, I less than n minus 1, I plus plus. Then this loop for j0, j less than n minus 1 minus I, j plus plus on this for loop body. If statement if AR of j is greater than AR of j plus 1, if condition is true, then swap these two values AR of j and AR of j plus 1. Now, first pass, I become 0, 0 less than n minus 1. What is the n value? How many elements? 5. So n value is 5. 5 minus 1 means 4. So 0 less than 4. Condition is true. Now, go to this body. Now, what is the j value? J value is also 0. Now, 0 less than n minus 1 minus I. What is the I value? I value is 0. Then, n minus 1 value is 4. So, 4 minus is 4. So, 0 less than 4. Yes. Now, check the condition. If AR of j means 0, 0 here is greater than AR of j plus 1. J plus 1 value. What is the value of j plus 1? J plus 1 means 0 plus 1. 1. AR of 0 is greater than AR of 1 means what is AR of 0 value? 5. What is the AR of 1 value? 1. So 5 is greater than 1. Yes, condition is true. If condition is true, go to this block. Okay? Means this statement is a swap. Means exchange the element. Which element exchange? These two elements. AR of 0 and AR of 1. So 1 is goes here, 5 is go there. So after swapping, this is the result. 1, 5, 6 to 4. Then again, increment j become 1. 1 is less than 4. Yes, condition is true. Then if AR of j means 1 greater than AR of j plus 1, 1 plus 1 means AR of 2. J plus 1 value is 2. So check that. What is the value of AR of 1 now? 5. What is the value of AR of 2 now? 6. 5 is greater than 6. Condition is false. Next, increment j become 2. 2 is less than 4. Yes. If AR of j means 2, AR of 2 is greater than AR of j plus 1, 2 plus 1. AR of 3 means AR of 2 is greater than AR of 3. What is the value of AR of 2? 6. What is the value of error of 3? 2. 6 is greater than 2. Yes. Then swap. What is the value of swapping? Swap the value of error of 2 and error of 3. Means this value goes here, 6 is goes here, 2 is goes there. Means after swapping, this is the result 15264. Next. Now increment j becomes 3. 3 is less than 4. Yes. If error of j means 3, error of 3 is greater than error of j plus 1 means 3 plus 1, 4. Now check. What is the value of error of 3 here? Error of 3 value is 6. Now what is the value of error of 4? In the first pass, 4. Means check. 6 is greater than 4. Yes. Then swap. What is the swap? Which value are swapping? Means exchange. Error of 3 and error of 4. Means 4 is goes here, 6 is go there. Okay. So after sorting, this is the result. 15246 means our first pass is completed. Now, if you observe that the 6 is fixed, this is a sorted because it is the highest element, greatest element. So it is a sorted. Means so we have fixed that. We are not modifying. Next, second pass. I become 2. I is increment. I become 1. From 0 to 1. Increment. I become 1. Now check. 1 is less than n minus 1 means 4. Now check. 0. J becomes 0. 0 is less than n minus 1 means 4. 4 minus what is I value? 1 means 4 minus 1 is 3. So 0 less than 3. Yes. If the value, if the error of 0 means j value is 0, error of j is greater than error of j plus 1 means 0 plus 1, 1. If check, if error of 0 is greater than error of 1, what is the error of 0 value? 1 is greater than error of 1 value is 5. So 1 is greater than 5. Condition is true or false? False. Escape that. Increment j become 1. 1 is less than 3. Yes, condition is true. Now check the execute the if statement. If error of j means 1, error of 1 is greater than error of j plus 1, 1 plus 1, error of 2. Means check if error of 1 is greater than error of 2. What is the error of 1 value? 5 is greater than error of 2. Error of 2 is 2. So 5 is greater than 2. Yes. So swap the which value we are swapping? Error of 1 and error of 2 means this value is goes here, 5 is goes here, 2 is goes there. So after swapping, this is the final. We are get the result 12546. Okay. Next. Now increment j become 2. 2 is less than 3. Yes, 2 is less than 3. Now check if error of j means 2, error of 2 is greater than error of j plus 1, 2 plus 1, error of 3. Okay. Means check that error of 2 is greater than error of 3. What is the error of 2 value now? Error of 2 value is, what is the value of error of 2? 5. What is the value of error of 3? 4. 5 is greater than 4. Yes, condition is true. Now swap. Which value is swap? Error of 2 and error of 3 value are swap. Means 5 is goes here, 4 is goes there. Okay, this after swapping, this is the result 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Now increment j become 3 now. Check 3 is less than 3. Condition is false. Now third pass. I become 2. 2 is less than 4. Yes, condition is true. J equals to 0. Now 0 is less than n minus 1 minus I. What is the value of I? 2 means 4. N minus 1 value is 4. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So check 0 less than 2. Yes. Now go to the inside. If error of j means 0, error of 0 is greater than error of j plus 1 means error of 1. Check that. What is the value of error of 0? 1. Value of error of 1, 2. 1 is greater than 2. Condition is false. Now check increment j become 1. Now check 1 is less than 2. Condition is true. Now go to the inside the for loop, means body of the for loop of j. Check, execute the if statement. If error of j means 1, error of 1 is greater than error of j plus 1. 1 plus 1 means error of 2. Check if error of 1 is greater than error of 2. What is the value of error of 1 here? Error of 1 value is, what is the value of error of 1 is 2. Error of 1 value is 2 is greater than error of 2 is 4. Check 2 is greater than 4. Condition is false. Now increment j become 2. 2 is less than 2. Condition is false. So our final, we are get this 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Next, in the fourth pass, this is the fourth pass. I increment I become 3 now. 3 is less than n minus 1 means 3 is less than 4. Yes. j equals to 0. Now 0 is less than n minus 1 minus I. What is the value of I here? 3. Now n minus 1 value is 4. So 4 minus 3, 1 is 0 less than 1. Yes, condition is true. Now if error of 0 means error of j. What is j value here? 0. If error of 0 is greater than, what is the value of error of j plus 1? J plus 1 means 0 plus 1 means 1. Check if error of 0 is greater than error of 1. What is the value of error of 0? We are not changed, so error of 0 value is 1 now. So 1. Now what is the value of error of 1? Error of 1 value is 2. So 1 is greater than 2. Condition is false. Increment j. J equals to 1. Now 1 is less than 1. Condition is false. Stop the pass. If we are try to hit pass also, I equals I become 4. 4 is less than 4. Stop. Not run. So I will get this result. Final result is this after sorting 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. And then I will check the code. Our result is correct or not. So click on, go to the dev C++. Okay, this is our code. This is our main part. This is I will take the input the array and print that after before sorting. This is a logic. The third variable we have so the swapping using the third variable. After swapping, these are the bubble sort. Using the bubble sort, the sorted elements become this. Okay, so check this. So click on execute and compile. No error. Okay, click on run. What is the elements? How many elements we have stored? Is 5. 5 elements we have stored. Now check that. What is the elements? We are trying to store that. This is what is the element? 5, then 1, then 6, then 2, then 4. So return the result is after sorting is 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. And same also 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. This is a thing. Now so in this case, this elements is before means after creating the array. This is the before sorting. This is the elements. So now check that is correct or not. Error of 0 value. Error of 0. What is the after means after sorting? Error of 0 is 1. Check that right. Error of 1 is 2. Error of 2 is 4. Error of 3 is 5. Error of 4 is 6. So our result as our after tracing we will get our result and the after output get the same result. Means our both are true. So our perfect our task. That is basically the bubble sort, and basically it is a very simple sorting algorithm. Most of you use a bubble sort algorithm. Okay? That is basically the bubble sort. But keep on practice because practice is required, and please dry run the codes. Now okay, thank you.